Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you a small short story about a 35-year-old man whose name was Abhishek. I met Abhishek during a journey where he was just sitting adjacent to me. He was reading a book and being curious about the book, I looked at the book and asked, "What is the name of this book?" He looked at me and we started having conversation. It was a great conversation, and in around like 30 minutes, we could know each other and knew our professions. And when he knew that I am a communication coach, he couldn't resist himself and he said, "Sir, would you mind if I ask you one question?" I was like, "Yeah, why not? You may put on." So he came up with a question and he asked, "Sir, I don't understand. When I speak to my boss and my team members, they don't understand me. Even if I'm giving a presentation, I find many of them getting distracted. My message is not clear and they're not connecting with me. I don't understand why these guys are so negative towards me." Then I told Abhishek, you need to first change your mindset. It's not the problem with the audience, it's the problem with your communication. You are not communicating properly with your audience, because of which they are hearing you but they are not listening you. You are communicating but you are not connecting. And that is the reason why you fail. And guys, if you are the one having the same problem in your office, maybe in your personal life or in your friend circle, then this video is very much essential for you, and I'm going to share here all the 5 techniques which I conveyed to my friend Abhishek, and that has changed his life, and the same will change your life. So what are they? Note it down. Number 1, whenever you want to speak, have a structure in your mind. Now what many people does, they go on the stage and they start speaking. There is no structure, they don't have anything to speak, and they mix up everything, ending up with frustration and the other person having no sense of it. So make a structure of this content, the main topic, the subtitle of it, the inner content of it, then again subtitle of it, the inner content of it, and then finally closer. When you have a structure, you don't have to puzzle up. You are having the control in your hands and you can play well. This is number 1. Secondly, use less heavy vocabulary, or I would say don't use it at all. Now guys, I have seen many people in just order to throw an impression, they use many heavy words. Now, if the other person don't understand your words, why are you using these words? If they are not understanding how you are connecting, how you are communicating, it's all waste. Instead, communication is all about understanding. Use simple words and make your message easily conveyed. Third point, think fast, speak slow. And when I say slow, I really mean slow. Now you may see how I am speaking. Am I speaking in a very fast way? This is fast. Now just reduce it. When you talk, generally Indians, what we do, we have a tendency of speaking very fast. And in fact, you go to South, there are people there, they speak more faster. Now just imagine of a company having a high demand of a product, but the supply is very less. Then what will happen? It will lead to chaos, disturbance and mismanagement. And my dear friend, the same is happening with your brain also. Our mind is our production house. It's producing words, English structures, and we are giving it out as supply. Now just tell me, if you have got very less production in your brain and you want a heavy demand over here, what will happen? You will end up with chu, cha, and ultimately you will be frustrated, complaining yourself that oh, my English is not good. So from today, when you are speaking, keep this in mind. You have to speak slow. Be very convenient in speaking so that the other person understand and you have a clarity in your voice and thoughts. So the fourth one is use intonations. Now guys, when you are talking to a person and you are just talking blunt, मतलब सिर्फ आप सीधा 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 बोले जा रहे हैं, ना तो उसमें कोई ऊपर नीचे है, ना कोई पिच हाई पिच और लो पिच, और there is no louder voice and slow voice, and who is going to connect with you? Now just imagine I am speaking to you. Hello everybody, today I am going to tell about. Now guys, you are not going to connect with me. So when you are talking, make your voice high, low, and just practice this. This is not practicable and it's all learnable skill. Once you do it, you'll learn. Do not worry. Then when you use these intonations, just imagine of a movie which has got no drama, no fight, no twist, and it's just a plain vanilla. Would you love it? I'm pretty sure you will not watch the movie more than 15 minutes. And the same thing is happening with you when you communicate without intonations. So from today, use intonations and make your communication effective. The fifth point, when you are communicating, keep your communication short and crisp. Now what does it mean? Now I have seen many people, they just want to communicate, and when they want to communicate, they speak lot many things, confusing the whole content actually. Now do it, plan it well, and instead of using, suppose I give an example, I was wondering if you could catch me up for a date. Now instead of saying such a big line, you may say, will you join me for a date? That's it. Now instead of saying I was wondering, unnecessarily you are extending it and making no sense out of it. So keep your communication short and crisp. And now guys, I'll give you one bonus tip. And what is that? That is body language. Now, when you talk about your communication, as I already told you and you know it, 55% of our communication is body language. 38% is our vocal, and what we just speak is 7 to 8%. So guys, it's not what you speak, but how you speak and what is your body language. So when you are talking, make your body language positive, open body postures, and maintain eye contact. By doing this, you will have an effective communication and you will connect. As you must be seeing, I am using again and again this word, that is connect. Communication is all about connecting, not just speaking or delivering your message. It's all connecting, man. So right today, start implementing this and make your life good in terms of communication. And guys, if you have been following me for some time, then here is a good news for you all. I want to teach you all the complete section of communication, where I would be giving all my tips and tricks how to have best and effective communication in your personal, professional, or any circle you are communicating with. So if you want, then just text in the chat box yes, and my team will connect with you. So guys, get ready for the next step. This is Amit Saraf, who has transformed around more than 1,000 lives in communication and mindset, and people are doing great in their professional life as well as personal life. So stay tuned for the next step, and thank you all. Bye bye.